2025 Lincoln Nautilus cabin air filter. This one is a little different than the previous model ones where you could just open the glove box, push these tabs inward, and lower the glove box to get to the cabin filter. This one's a little different because it has a damper that's connected to the door that slows it down when you open it. And you can't get to it to disconnect it unless you take the whole thing out. So we're gonna have to take the whole thing out instead of just dropping this door down, okay? When I take it out, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. If there's another way of doing this, just leave it in the comments on how to do it, but this is how I'm doing this one. You are gonna need some tools. You're gonna need a 7mm socket, and then a what is this, a T20? T20 Torx, okay? Now the T20 Torx, I remove this bolt here, this bolt here, this bolt here. So there's 3 inside the glove box, and underneath there's 1 here and 1 here. Okay, 2 here. There's a third, there's another one. It's behind this panel right here, so we're gonna have to remove this. To remove this, we have to remove this side piece here. So we have a little panel popping tool. You just pop it. It's just clips. Okay, go around and pop these newer style Ford clips. They're a little delicate, so be careful with it. Okay. Just take the panel off, and you see the clips here. But here's our 7mm we're gonna need to remove to be able to pop this piece off here. You see some marks here. Someone's been in here before. This is 7mm here, and this one's loose, which is good too. So this panel here can be really tight on pulling it off. Kind of feels like you're going to break it, but it just uses those same color clips. You can kind of see them back here in the back. Okay, here crunchy and poppy. One of the clips, you can see the clips here, and the clips got left behind. We'll be able to get that once we get this whole glove box piece out. Doing all that is just so we can get to this Torx right here. So just go ahead and take all these Torx out, and then we should be able to pull the glove box off. All right, once you get them all off, we're gonna end up pulling this guy out. It'll be a little stubborn, but when you do it, there's a light connected to it and a wire, so be careful not to break the wire, okay? So come over here, I have to come down here, and you see how it gets all loose. And work this guy off. Okay. Stuck on this clip right here, and it's mostly because I can only use one hand right now. So I should get this off. There we go. Once you get that, just come down like this. Then we're going to disconnect this connector, and then you need to push this little tab right here with a screwdriver and pull it. There's a little tab right here, okay? And I can't do that with one hand, so it's disconnected, boom. Now here is the damper over here on the side that's impossible to get to. You don't want to force the glove box down because you'll end up breaking it. If you do manage to get in here somehow on the side to disconnect it, I don't know how you'd put it back, okay? So if there is a better way, let me know in the description box. But yeah, this is what slows down the door. So these little pieces and things we don't want to break. All right, now back to the mission. The main part of this mission is the cabin filter. So this is the door for the cabin filter here, and we're gonna unclip it by pushing these out. Same thing with this side here. Push it out, and then you can lower this door down like that, okay? So you're gonna push, and there's these little tabs up here that you can pull this down, and then you can pull the filter out. Now I actually don't have a new filter because I haven't got this approved by my customer yet. but I'm gonna end up taking a picture of the filter for him, letting him know if it needs to be changed or not. If you need a filter, I'll have a link down in the description box where you can get a new one from Amazon. When you get your new one, they're always labeled with airflow direction. It's always gonna be pointing down like this one here. I'm not gonna recommend this to my customer probably. I'll probably tell them it's okay, it's all good. But I'll show them anyway how dirty it is. It's really not that bad. So we just replace it with a new one. It just goes right back in here and then just reverse the installation. And you're good to go. I won't show you how to put the glow backs on because it's just too much to do. It makes the video really long. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you can hit the like button for me. Leave me a comment if you could. It'd be so kind to subscribe.